I understand the frustration of PC gaming issues, having personally encountered many. After extensive testing, I've gathered several effective strategies to address common problems. I'm excited to share these proven solutions with you right now, especially if you need to fix Directx 12 game crash and black screen errors. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Drivers are like instruction manuals for your graphics card. Old ones cause confusion, leading to crashes. A fresh update ensures your card gets clear instructions for Directx 12 games. Next, repairing Directx itself is vital. Directx is a special set of tools games use to talk to your hardware. If these tools are damaged, games can't communicate properly, causing black screens or crashes. Fixing Directx ensures strong connections. Third, verifying game file integrity and adjusting in-game settings often helps. Games need every file perfect. If a file is missing or corrupt, the game breaks. Checking integrity fixes this. Lowering settings also reduces strain on your computer. Finally, performing Windows updates and running a system file scan is a powerful step. Windows needs to be up to date to work well with new games, and Directx bringing important fixes. A system scan checks for and repairs any damaged Windows files that might be messing up your games. These methods combine to tackle the core issues, helping you get back to gaming seamlessly.